Right. So we go back to the original image we duplicated. Remember the image we smudged before, which is this. We smudge the image. That is the image there. So we just click it and then come to Dosh 2, yeah, and Bond 2. This is the two layer. This is the two we are going to be using for the light and the dark. So basically, the Dosh is to making it brighter, and the Bond 2, no, yeah, the bond tool is to make it darker. So first of all, we are going to be using the bond tool to make it darker. Remember, we have not done one thing yet, which is the lip. So let's just add color to the lip before we jump into this. Let's add color to the lip. Let's use the eye layer to add color to the lip. If you notice one thing earlier, I didn't smudge the lip because I just believe that the oil paint we use on the skin has already taken over the lip, so there's no need of smudging the lip anymore. But if you feel like the lip is not good for you, then you can smudge it to make it more smoother. But to me, this is okay. This is fine for me. There is no need for me doing it that much. So if you just follow the step by step, I believe you're gonna know this and you start doing it yourself. Then go back to that same layer. Let's use the bond tool now. It's very easy to do. See, just so when you go to your exposure, make your exposure 21 or 30, but I believe 21 is okay. Make it 21, or right now I'm using 24. 24 is okay for me right now, so I'm using it. That's just my normal setup for the bond tool. So I don't want it to look more darker, or wherever you see those dark parts, just add it there, and very easy. So I'm just doing it step by step, just trying to follow where you saw the dark place. Anywhere you see shadow, just apply that bond tool there. So don't do it too much. You can keep doing it. You will get it right, guys. You will get it right. You can still also add it to the hair, or wherever you see dark place, you can just add it to the hair to make it look more poppy. Just make it pop up. That's what I mean by poppy. Sorry, guys. I didn't call dog's name here. So that's what I mean by pop it. Like, just make it pop up, guys. So you can just apply it just to cover some light on the hair, to remove some light on the hair. Yeah, guys. Move it to the t-shirts. Move it to the t-shirts. So guys, let's start adding the lights. Very easy. So just watch where you see the light on the skin, then just apply the color of the light to it. See, very easy. Very easy. Don't add it too much so to not spoil the beauty of the picture. So guys, I'm just adding a little light to the herb. You know what I told you guys before, to just make it pop up, you know, make it pop up. So you can still add some light to this area. So guys, think we are okay with this. This is what we do. Add this to it and make it look you know, whatever sun hits the most, always be some reddish color there, because for example, you put your hand in the light, you will see a red color, which is your blood. So let's add blood to this skin, to this color, to make it look more amazing. So create a new layer, then go to your color pack, I don't know what you packer, color packer. Just go to your color packer, then move up and take it to red. Let's look for a good red. Yeah, this is okay. And remember, turn this new layer to color, then go to your brush and start adding the color to the skin. Too much, so let's reduce it from 50 to 21 is okay, or 24. Let's add it and let's see what we come up with. So don't worry, there's a way we can still adjust it. So guys, all you just have to come to your opacity here, where you have your layer. Just come to your opacity, reduce it. There we go. Very easy. So guys, I believe this is the ending of the video. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please guys, I know you learn something for this video. Hit that subscribe button, turn the notification bell so that anytime I post any video like this, because I'm not going to be doing this type of video that much, but I'm going to be doing it for those who requested for it, because I know people requested from this video that I do it like this. So my video is going to be more cinematic, so I'll be using Procreate at the same time using Photoshop. Guys, I'm going to be showing you guys a lot on this channel. So guys, hit the subscribe button, turn the notification bell so that anytime I post a video like this, you will not be left out on this, and leave a comment below on what you think about this video. So guys, see you guys, enjoy the review.